Hi there, welcome to DevAlpha. Our bot to scrap data from cars.com is ready. In this video, I will show you how to use it. You will receive this zip file from me. After extracting it, open this folder and open this icon file. Okay, this is our bot. You just need to click start button. It is showing message search and apply your custom filters. Then when page loaded completely, click OK. So for example, I am choosing all makes with all models and click search button. And if you want to specify more results, then you can apply some custom filters here. And when all results are loaded and page is loaded successfully, then click OK. Okay, the bot has started to scrap results. You can count from here. And VIN number, this was important to you, so it is also scrapping it. And I have added some additional columns like name, price, mileage, dealer name, rating, etc. Okay, so this is our bot. If you have any questions, let me know, then I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.